Hey everyone, welcome back to another quick and very interesting tutorial. Where in this quick tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can generate a QR code that directly redirects you to a particular chat and with a particular message to that particular chat. Now, in order to do it, just simply open any of the browser you have, and here you have to write meqr.com. You can see the right website over there. Just simply hit enter and wait for the site to respond. Now here, you need to scroll down until you see this option which says WhatsApp. Just simply tap over there and wait for the site to respond. Once the page gets open here, all you need to do is to just simply first let's wait for it to respond. It may take some time. Here you need to paste the number of that particular WhatsApp chat and write the text message. For example, if I write hello and write the number 123456. Now once you do that and you can name the chat as well, you can name the QR as well, and just simply hit customize and download QR. Once you do that, a QR has been generated, and if someone scans this QR, they will directly redirect it to that particular chat with that text message that you have written on there, and you can directly download the QR or even customize them as per your need. Alright, so that's it for this video. I hope this video will be helpful for you. Make sure to hit the like button and subscribe button for more such helpful and interesting tutorials. See you in the next one. Take care.